I have a great deal alert. Remember, I had the Audi steam mop. Something happened with my steam mop and I had it for almost a year and I literally had to take it back. So I went and got the steam mop that you will see in the thumbnail, or either I'll try to insert it in this video so you can see what I'm talking about. To buy the pads for those, a lot of these steam mops do not come with a lot of pads and they're quite expensive. So I wanted to share with you guys the great deal that I got on these bad boys. Look at this. They just came and it's 2 in each pack. I have 6 refills for my Walmart steam mop. The Shark Vac steam mop, like I said, it'll be in the thumbnail. And I will also try to put the link to the seller that I got these from on Walmart, or the link to them. Guys, these are great quality and I have 6 of them. And guess how much I paid for 6 of them? Less than $10. I want to say, yeah, it was less than 10. I want to say it was 9 something. So here they are. And they stick right to it, just like the other ones. They're nice and thick. Excuse my nails, guys. I just damaged my nails, and food coloring got all on me from doing organizational vid, and the food coloring spilled all on my hands. So excuse my nails. But yeah, these are made by, they're microfiber. Let's see. And this is the name of the company. 80 cleaning, 100% microfiber, whatever. But these are durable, and you cannot beat 6 of these for less than $9. When I first seen them, I was like, well, we're not getting no refills, because they were like $5-6 for one. And I kept looking, and found this seller. It's not Walmart. It's through Walmart, but it's not Walmart. So yeah, there was free shipping and less than $10 for 6 of them. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are looking into getting these and you have not been able to find them for a great price, your girl always come through with things that I know most people need or are looking for in their homes. I try to share as many deal alerts as possible when it comes to stuff like this, because this is the stuff that irritates people when it comes to cleaning their home or getting their home together. I can't find this. I don't know where this is, or it's too expensive here and they don't have it there. So I try to share. Some people may not understand it, but to some people, I love the emails and the thumbs up and the great comments when they say, hey, I was looking for this, or oh my gosh, I need some too, or whatever the case may be. So this is why I share these things, and I will continue sharing these deal alerts. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, I will talk to you in my next video. Make sure, if you are new to the channel, that you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, so that way you are notified when your girl loads new videos, because I do random videos throughout the week. Sometimes you'll get a video every day of the week and you don't want to miss them. Also, for all of you new and subscribers that have been rolling for a minute, make sure you always hit the thumbs up bell when I load a video, because that helps the channel so much. So thank you guys again, and I will be sure to try to leave the link. If I forget, please let me know, guys. The link below to where I got these from, and I will see you later, Gators.